Hello students, welcome back to our online class. Students, take out your EVS book. So in the last class we have discussed about reproduction of plants, that is chapter number 6, and we have also discussed the reproduction from the stem, reproduction from the leaves, reproduction from the roots, is not it? So today we'll discuss the structure of a seed, that is in page number 43. So students, take out page number 43. The structure of a seed. Take a few bean or chana seed. Have you seen rajma seed? Rajma. So take an example. It's like a rajma seed. It's not. This is the picture. Rajma seed. When you just divide the rajma seed into two parts, you can see those. It's not the seed. This is the example. Or you can take this seed as a mango seed. They are hard and dry and cannot be broken easily. Soak the seed in water and leave them overnight. So if you leave the seeds, okay, if you leave the seeds of the mango for overnight now, and take a soaked seed and look at them carefully. Now if you have take out the seed and you divide them into two parts, you will see it becomes softer and it's swollen up. This is because the seed absorbs water and swells up. The thick outer covering called the Now there is a thick covering. That means suppose this is the seed. If you take this as a rajma seed or the mango seed, whatever. Now this is called seed koda. That is the upper one. This is the hard one. Okay. Which protects the seed. On one side of the seed is a scar. Now where is scar? This is the seed scar. Now this is where the seed was attached to a fruit, and from there only the fruit is attached. Okay, the fruits was attached because suppose mango, after eating the mango only we have thrown this, we have soaked this seed into water, and from where this fruit came out? From this seed scar. This is where the seed was attached to the fruit. Near the scar is a small hole. This hole allows water to enter and marks the seed swell up. Now if we soak it in the water, it used to become fluffy, is not it? How? Now the water have went inside that seed. How? There is one hole for water. Okay. Now this is the hole for water, and that is how the water used to go inside, and then it absorbs water and swells up. Below the seed coat there are two seed leaves called the cotyledons. Okay, now what are the cotyledons? This is called the cotyledons. When we divide the seed into two parts, okay, when this portion is called cotyledons. Okay, the inside part is called cotyledons. Between the cotyledons is the baby plant called the embryo. Now this is as a whole is called the embryo. This is called the baby shoot, and this is called the baby root. This is the root, and now like it grew up, is not it? So this is called baby shoot, this is called baby root, and as a whole it is called embryo. Between the cotyledons is the baby plant called the embryo. The embryo contains a baby shoot and a baby root. The cotyledons protect the baby plant. Now it serves as the protection, because when it's closed, so it serves as the protection. If it's closed, then here is the plant, then it serves as a coating, is not it? So it serves as a protection to the baby plant. They also store food for the baby plant. All seeds do not have two cotyledons. Some, such as corn, have only one cotyledons. Now corn has only one cotyledons. Now come to dispersal of seeds. Now what do you mean by dispersal? Dispersal means scattering of seeds. Like we used to sow seeds throw, is not it? Suppose there is a coriander seeds, is not it? And we used to throw just, and wherever the seed used to fell, then plant used to come out. This is called dispersal of seeds. That means scattering of seeds. Now says dispersal means scattering. If plants grow too close to each other, they will not get enough space, air, water, minerals and sunlight. Under these conditions, they cannot grow into healthy plants. Since a plant produces a large number of seeds, nature has provided means of scattering the seeds far and wide so that they that so that crowding is reduced. Now what happened then? Why this? See, when two seeds used to suppose there is a two seeds fallen over here, then okay, two seeds fallen over here, then it does not get enough place to grow as a plant. Is not enough place to grow as a plant. As a result, what happened? They cannot grow into a healthy plant, and they cannot get enough minerals, sunlight, there enough space, air, water. Now these plants used to have many seeds, and what happened? These seeds used to burst out. Okay, these seeds used to burst out, and these seeds used to scatter here and there. Like example, pea seed. The scattering of seeds away from the parent plant is called a seed dispersal. Now the scattering of seeds from parent plants, yes, the seeds has to grow from the plant, is not it? That is the parent plant, and it is burst in some other place, and that is called seed dispersal. Fruits and seeds are scattered with the help of how it can be scattered? By wind, water, animals, and explosion of fruit. Wind, water, and animals are called the agents of dispersal. How? Because by the wind, okay, then lands used to move here and that is not it, and by that only the seeds used to move to other place. And like plants, suppose a cow had eaten plant, then here have, suppose there are many cows, not only one cow, then when they used to eat the fruit, then they used to throw the seed some other place, and one animal will throw the another place, and that is how they used to scatter here and there, and that they are called the agents of dispersal. Dispersal by wind. Seeds that are scattered by wind are usually small and light. Dandelion and cotton seeds have long and fine hair surrounding them. Okay, now how these seeds used to carried by wind? They are like cotton, small furry plant they are having. Okay, they are having furry plant, and by that only when the wind blows, along with that only small cotton used to blow and used to be scattered here and there, and this is called dispersal by wind. Example of wind dispersal is like dandelion and cotton seeds. This makes it easy for the wind to carry the seeds away. Some seeds such as maple and drumsticks have wings attached to them which help them to float in air. As they have wings, like small wings. This is the example. So now this is the picture. See, this is the called dandelion. See, this is so soft. It's not. This is so soft. So these used to scatter here and there by wind because it is very light. Now dispersal by water. Now water can also carry away the seeds. How? Seeds of plants that grow in or near flowing water may be dispersed by water. These plants have fruits and seeds that can float in water. For example, water lily, lotus, and coconut, which is grown near water. The coconut fruit has air trapped between its husk. Now, between its husk means the chilka. It's not that there is a water there. This makes it light and easy to float. Now, coconut, have you seen the coconut sinking? No. It can be carried by water. Not only the coconut but also the lotus, which is grown itself in water, like water lily. So these flowers, the seeds of these flowers can be scattered by water. Dispersal by animals. We enjoy eating fleshy fruits such as mango and papaya. After eating the fruits, we throw the seeds away. That means after eating those fruits, we used to throw the seeds here and there. This is one way of helping plants to disperse their seeds. It also helps the plants to disperse the seeds. Birds and animals eat seeds along with fruits. The seeds are small and hard, and they come out of the body as waste, ready to grow. Seeds of guava and berries are dispersed in this way. See, I told you, when these birds, animals, when they used to eat the seeds, or like monkeys, they used to eat the fruit and throw the seeds here and there. It grows as a plant. And in the same way, the small seeds of guava, then berries, these are eaten by the birds. But when they used to excrete it, that means the body waste of the animals, they used to scatter in the ground. It's not, and from that waste only, from that seed, the plants used to grow, and this is called dispersal by animals, and these are also known as the agents of dispersal. Some seeds have stiff hair. Now what? Spines or hooks. Now what is spines? Spines means a pointed needle-like structure. Okay, and or hooks. See, if we go for playing, small beads used to attach in our pant, is not it? It's being itchy also. So these enables the stick to, so after stuck, so these enable the seeds to stick to our clothes or bodies of animals, and they are thus carried long distances. See, I feel to play, and after that the seed stuck in my trousers, and after that I came to home, I changed my clothes, and like that the seed have fallen in my area, it have grown again to your area, you also carried in that way. That in that way also it is scattered, is not it? In this way these seeds are scattered because they have spines or hooks. Some fruits have special hook-like structure that cling to the fur or animals or skin of animals. Cling means attach. Dispersal by explosion of fruit. Fruits of plants such as balsam pea, geranium and touch-me-not burst open or explode when they are dry, scattering the seeds away from the mother plant. So these plants are close like pea, is not a pea, then touch-me-not. And when they used to be, then when they are fully grown, they used to burst from the mother plant, and as a result the seeds burst from one place to another, and this process is called dispersal by explosion of fruit. So in the next class we shall study what do seeds need for the germination. Till then, thank you.